rebound. Jago the step back. Take the ball is Jago. He wants that 3-pointer.
First time, ano masasabi mo? Galingan mo ha. Gusto ko, kumpiyansa ka, tapos ipakita mo yung talagang laro mo ha. Huwag kang mahihiya. Kasi syempre, may mga kakampi to guys. Eto guys, mga kakampi oh. Pang poster lang to, pang poster, pang cute lang. Pero yung mga pandigdigan namin, eto, 11 years old dyan to kasi 11 years old. Kaya yung lineup nila oh. Yan. So syempre, kasama natin ang Brusco family. Ayan oh. Yan. Let's go! Let's go!
Magparanda ka doon!
Oh! Guys, araw sa mga kabayan sa kabila dito! Palakpakan mo na mga kapatid!
Meron silang ginawa challenge. So, after chat, so doon sa text ng SMCT o sorry. Ayun na ba ito? Ayun na ba ito? Bertong tira, kailangan ito. Okay. Go win!
Boss, go ahead.
Okay. Size. Okay, game na. Nabigla ako ayok, bukas na lang yun. So ito, may kakambisyan. Ano pangalan mo? Ha? Remy, ito. Greg, ito pare. Jandring. Okay, ikaw, ano pangalan mo? Guys, ganito lang ha. Pakita nyo lang yung best nyo, yung talagang laro nyo, walang mahihiya. Jarin, walang mahihiya ha. Tapos pre, yung play nyo, peak. Jarin siya, yung tres mo. Kapag lagi pagmala sa tres, pasok ko sa loob. Ikaw, William, tsaka Andres, magpakit kayo lagi ha. Palakpak lang kayo ha, palakpak. Ikaw. Tapos ikaw pre, dribble, tira. Ikaw pre, ngayon lang kita nakita pero galingan mo pare, ha?
Pare, ba't sila hindi magpapakyut? Yan ba't sila hindi magpapakyut?
Hindi, basta galingan nila pre. Ito, mas cute itong dalawa eh. Basta mag-enjoy lang kayo. Mag-enjoy lang kayo. Okay, 1, 2, 3, Brusco ha. Okay, 1, 2, 3, Brusco! Flex, pare!
Pag di na kasi sisihan.
Ilan taon ka na?
Sabay, mahina eh. Bilisan nyo ha. Sabay. 1, 2, 3, Brusco ha. Sabay.
1, 2, 3, Brusco!
1, 2, 3, Brusco! Sige.
Sabihin nyo, Brusco. Ganito.
Lasan nyo ha.
1, 2, 3, Brusco!
Sabay, mas malakas.
Mas malakas, ikaw ka malakas.
Sige. Yun!
Okay.
1, 2, 3, Lisa!
Extreme motivated. Let's go!
For Tigers naman, they have Nathan Mesicito, Alex Toledo, and Xavier Gionco. Right now, sa ilalim, misses the shot and have to clear the basketball here. Jumper on the way. Misses. Another guy, second serving is good. Tigers 1-0. Jacob misses the shot. Look at Cruz, the tallest there, but he mishandles the basketball.
Intense dito sa laro na ito.
Really giving instructions to their boys. Right now, Jacob looks for Stevie. Jacob, two-pointer, no goal.
Oh, the pass.
Right now in the basketball is John Real. Winning Jacob, the son of Bosjona. Tablang is 12. And layup misses from Kate Espanyol. And now getting the ball to the Hits. Here is Janis Jacob. Short on the jumper, able to save the basketball. For Kate Espanyol. Now they see that box again. Xavier Diogo.
Ito mo yung kamay ng bola. Ito ang Brusco. They score inside there. Pero yung lumalaban sila kahit palabas yung bola, yung nakahabot pa rin sila.
Yung competitiveness, no? Even in this game. Right now, bodies are falling. Right now, on the move, Espanyol, the screen, layup no good, bothered by the defender. And now, the ball will be stolen. Yang, bigay sa kaliwa, is moving right now, Castillo. Oh, little step. Almost, but not quite for Blake Castillo. There's Jacob, step back. No good. Who's now on the jumper? Castillo gets the rebound. Bigay kay Liam. Jumper is short. Put back. Up your target. That's Camille Nieves missing the even. Right now, Jacob overlooks. Tigers getting the ball here. Here's Blake. Lays it up. No, but a foul. We will have a timeout. Limited 3 extra threes. 2-1. Tigers coming in against Brusco. Brothers, this one minute 3 extra. Special thanks to Spotting the official campo of the 1 minute 3 extra. Minute 3 extra to encourage youth sports. Again, you are watching Brusco Hits. For all ages, no? Again, right now you're watching the Motivated Nation Hits. Nate Castillo, great goal shot, on goal. Oh, he gives it back and putting it back on home. 3-1 for Tigers. Now, it's going to be Nieves. Oh, look at that outstanding defense coming from Brusco Hits. And again, the Tigers getting the ball back. Setting the play now is going to be Liam Yang. To Nieves, down low, shot no go. And now, rebounded by Craig Espanyol. Giving it up to Jacob. Takes it up. Ayaw talaga. The second serving is there. Craig Espanyol.
What a basket there para kay Espanyol.
Repeat. Oh! Another try. Castillo misses. And Espanyol secures the rebound. Jacob, the step back.
Espanyol secures the rebound. Jacob, the step back.
That is Jacob with a two-pointer. Giving 1.3. Now Castillo ties it up more. What a ball game here.
Isa pa lang ito ha.
Another try, Jacob. This that time, Espanyol on the follow, still on goal. And now, another. Really now, but Espanyol is there for the cleanup.
As we have timeout here. Kailangan natin to. James, score natin. 5-4.
Pwede na si Yaris, make her shoes bright.
Stand corrected. So yun na nga, Tigers will have the possession here. Sa labas, 2-pointer. Off the mark. Balik for the rebound. Getting the Bulls, Chico. He wants that 3-pointer.
Balik for the rebound. Getting the Bulls, Chico. He wants that 3-pointer.
It's Jacob.
Iba na ang may pinagmanahan.
So Jonah is shouting from the sideline. He tripped that time. Jacob in and out. But here is Espanyol on the field. What a move!
But here is Espanyol on the field. What a move!
Move by Jake Espanyol.
Clearing his way inside, you know?
Yeah, the tallest actually in this motivated teams and kids.
As we take a look at the 2-point shot there on the green play.
Sa men of senior Julio Jump Morales scores down low. 3-point lead now for Bosco Kids. Monteo. Here's the wide team. Jacob, I believe, the ball. Nilalapit na nga sila. Nakadalawa na yan. Sa may kanan, the ball will be stolen. Monteo, looks sila. No. Getting the ball right now is Nieves. The first team makes the cross court. Toledo having some issues with the basketball but able to control. And now passing his way. Here is Tigers still trailing by 3 points. Atake Castillo, what a pass! And number 1. Shot, let's go! Foul! Yes, the basket and a foul. Great ball coming out here for Xavier Juneo. He gets it back. Up there. Castillo on the drive. One break right here, Castillo. Jump shot is good. Only for respective teams are able to score here. Nakawala dito.
Pero subok makapuntos ng kanyang unang puntos dito.
Dito, Mises. Balik for the possession. Janet Diego Mises. Diego on the step back. Almost. Back iron is the 3-pointer or the 2-pointer rather. Here's John Timoteo. Pasa Espanyol. Masyado malalim. But this time, better distance stop for Tigers. Setting the pace, Toledo. Losing the pace. Pull up Jay. In and out. Jumper.
Tsaka sa mga fans natin dito hindi lang po ito isang laro ng mga kids. This is a best team matchup between these two teams. Hindi lang po ito isang laro ng mga kids. This is a best team matchup between these two teams. That is a score.
Montego there. Registered his first point on the ball. Yeah, Diego, for two. Right now, yeah, sa kanan. They're looking by 2 points here. Jumper is pure for Liam, yeah. And 9-8, 1-point ball game.
Oras na minutes na.
Your Tigers here don't have to foul. Jacob nakawala.
Almost.
Balik for the rebound. Foul will be good.
11.84 to be exact. Nice pass. And the goal run.
2 seconds to go. For the
Pero, this is just one. This is the best opening matchup. So ngayon sila Kansa Fighters will get their opening interview.
Coach, ano? Ang galing, no? Apir mo na, apir. Coach Renton.
Na-impress ako. Sabi ko sa kanila, mas magaling yung anak.
Okay lang yun. Okay lang yun. Mas magaling ako.
Galingan mo ha. Katulad sa tatay mo ha.
Mabait ako. Mabait. Saka sa mga lola mo, ayun sa taas. Shoutout sa mga lola. Mga lola, ano masasabi nyo kay Jaren kanina?
Ang galing! Ang galing talaga ni Jaren!
Mga lola.
Ang galing! Super galing ng ako mo. Galing! Ang galing!
Ano, sabi? Kay Jaren.
Ay, ang galing talaga ni Jaren.
MVP, oh. MVP, oh.
Ano sa tatay?
Sige, ano masasabi nyo sa game ng mga Cristo Kings?
Galing! Magaling! Galing ni Jaren! Magaling! Galing kasi ako kami. Pinupag si Gary. Galing si Jaren.
Galing. Kasi Andre at si William kaya?
Galing.
Ay, galing. Ilang pala kung kailangan ginawa ng dalawa, no?
Napagod daw sila. Hindi ako napagod. Shooter pala to.
Galing nyo, bilapot pa.
Shooter pala sila.
Shooter yan, siyempre. Galingan nyo, pre, mamaya, ha? O, shoutout muna sa shoutout mo.
Mga tropa ko po sa Notre.
Yun, ikaw, shoutout mo.
Shoutout nga pala sa mga tropa ko
Saan?
sa Ulugan.
So, mga kabad boys, ito na yung game 2 ng Bruce Philippines na yan. So, siyempre, ito yung last game. Dapat manalo na ulit para 2-0. Uwi na tayo.
Now, stealing the basketball down low, and they are behind the basketball, put it out. And from one of the Tigers, they are the best of Bristol Kings, just like the Bristol Kings. And they are as well as yeah, they start to get back to the one hand. Meron silang malaki. And block there. Nakasabi lang natin block for Giants Kiko. He wants a two-pointer. Ruder talks that time around.
Grabe, akalain mo yung bata pero yung tira sobra.
Oo. Malakso eh.
Kay Soto, Kusugit. Ayun.
That was his shot to the Henry. One more time score. Almost minutes. Depensa, no? Yung adjustment ng both teams dito. Here's Jari. Two pointers at the first game. And that chance was lost by Peterly.
Tingin ko ang gumawa mo ay ngayon si Coach Jordan.
Angel misses. Good intercept. Garrix, two-pointer on the way. Misses. On the follow. Oh.
see how things will go here. We'll be right back.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4.
Over again, remaining sa laban mo na ito between Rusugi and Tigers.
Yeah, dito, Tigers still going to Rusugi.
Ooh, 6 blocks.
So many missed opportunities for the Tigers. Ito na. Oh! Ano pa yun?
It was a big block.
Kaya nag-crowd natin Rusugi.
Right now, Sailane makes it up on the play.
Rebounded by Espanyol.
Oh, no. Probably by the goal. A third of it. As we head into this timeout.
But very interesting din ano ang gagawin ng Rusugi para pumunto sila dito. I think this will be like a quick.
Right now, with the basketball, Nieves, the one who hit that one-pointer earlier. Filipino, jumper, goal. 12 seconds remaining.
Very good na nito. We got 10 seconds.
Same ball. So,
Alright, wala itong tayo sa Rusugi. Ito na. With 6.75 seconds remaining, grabe sila.
let's see.
Alright.
We're going inside.
Espanyol.
Okay. Dahil dito, in 3x3 basketball, wala nang oras yan.
Sabi ni Coach, pero
Ano konti
napakainit.
yung unang makadalawang score, panalo na.
Again, overtime period for 3x3.
Because of 3x3, we don't call it overlap, we call it extension. Yan, ano? Score po natin sa official scoreboard right now. Mr. Rico.
Serving lane for Tigers. Winning the first game but losing on the second. Ano nga asahan namin sa game 3?
Yung kaninang game 2, kakain lang kami. Oo, kakain lang. Pero ngayon, bumaba na. Kaya sabi ko sa kanila, all out, kailangan mauwi natin itong championship kasi Cavite to.
Napakaganda nung nilalaro mo. Ano bang inspirasyon mo sa laro na to?
Mahal na mahal ko si Papa, siyempre.
Ayun na, napaka-sweet naman.
Congrats na agad sa inyo kahit na manalo-matalo guys. Napakagaling nyo para sa amin. Dito lang kami lagi para sa inyo.
Wow, thank you very much. Ito naman si Madam.
Alam kong kaya inyo, wag na kayo kakabahan. Basta galingan nyo para sa gusto.
Ayun na nga. Thank you very much, ma'am.
So guys, dahil all way yung score nila, kailangan na mag-jumping sila. Jaris, galingan nyo ha! Para MVP, uwi na na. Okay, guys, let's go!
And Alexander Top, 1, 3, let's get.
All the players on the line right now. Hunting Ayo. You was taught by the fighters. Pero grabe, yung inside presence time ni Espanol, nakakagawa ko dito sa ating fans. Good fire the first round. Espanol, good fire the first round. Second time I saw that play, no? Ano ba may connection ito si Espanol? Saka ito sila. They're the two players here communicating very well. Samantalang ang trip naman sa labas, itong safety journalist nito. So, ito naman tayo. Hoy, pero sumagot agad ang Tigers. Yes, it's going on the way up. They go. Yes, it's going on the way up. They go.
Alam mo yung nakikita ko?
Able to pilit lang itong Tigers, but still, moving pa rin ang mga ay play na kaya.
Right now, it's gonna be
Right now, it's gonna
Good to play kami ng Tigers sa ito na naman, moving pa rin naman. Diego Gatay misses on his jumper. Kaliwete ito ni Diego. Diego again. Oh, that's never clean. No, that's right. Misses. Misses back.
How about
Timoteo! Wow! Timoteo! Ikuha din ng Brusovic. Kailangan sumunod dito ang Tigers. Brusovic ay 8 din na sila. Grabe. 8 silang lahat ngayon. Ito. Another rebound by Espanyol. Kaya doon by Espanyol. Wow!
Dito sabi by Espanyol.
Pero nangangahilit itong Tigers dito.
The Tigers really need to score here. Napakiwan ng masalasya nito. Here's Beneo. Beneo back to home. Espejo. Timoteo tingin sa kanan. Espanyol. Ito na yung naman, Jacob. Number 3. Good practice. Timoteo again. Espanyol. Again. Oh my. Bruskovic. Crashing the glass here.
At hindi sila pinag-ibig dito, ha?
Patay ka, hindi na mapagod ka. Ano? Toledo, gusto gumawa ng paraan. He misses the one-hander. At nanira, na-sign it. Baksa ang nila si Timoteo. Wow!
How about that? Na-sign it. Baksa ang nila si Timoteo.
Here's Yang, he misses. Pero tinira ba? Carry away ko si Timoteo. Tinira mo po. Carry again.
Bet, nung lagi yung stress, baka matas sa ilalim.
We have to take that.
Nakakatayo lang mga natin. Oh, bakit na? Ano nag-in over? Timoteo, power move. Well played for Brusco. Here is Castillo. Pagkanda ng Brusco Castillo. Able to finish. Jacob.
Tahimik pa mo. Castillo. Able to finish. Jacob.
How about Giant Jacob with 6 points now? Timoteo a 3-second violation. Against Wayne for Brusco with a 2-minute indicator. Bumaba ang mga dito ng Tiger Polo. Napagkaroon ng score ito na Brusco. They still need to fight back. Esto to, Abelo the fake, the shot, no go. Timoteo there, ayaw na rin. Nakita natin magpapalitan lang sa iba. And this is the energy, very well laid out by the Brusco. Nico, wala. And who gets the rebound? That will be Nel Nieves. Nel Nieves now looking for an opening to Toledo. He's free fire. Oh! Right now, the hot two. Ayan na ba, kinahintay yung spark plug ng Tigers. Rebound by Espanyol. Espanyol again.
No box. Really covered the ball. The Tigers. The box is up.
And one.
Good.
And steal from players. First in ang Brusco game. Sila pa din. Yeah, they're the ones saving the floor here. Diba ka pala kayo. Steal the floor. Timoteo misses the J. Nieves gets the rebound. At nakita mo yung mga bata may kulang na din, no?
Oo.
Peter forcing motivated nicely. Peter and he will move forward. Alright, back to the ball. Red white lead now, very important looking for Brusco. Bakit na sa tilas? Bakit hindi, diba?
Timoteo. Itong Timoteo may pagkabaroke eh.
Before the game started, sabi ko, ano mga kasama sa kanya sa laro. Sabi niya, mahal na mahal sa mata.
Pero mabay na anak si Jared.
Now, out the line is Aniel Nieves.
Grabe yung mga asin ng Timoteo. Partner, talagang kumendo yung bata ako.
Bakit ba kuya ko na ito?
Tsaka well-trained din yung caps niya, Kudo. Ang bata ko, pero may muscle na sa dito.
Right now, Timoteo on the side. Intercepted. na din ang Tigers, hindi na nila 9 seconds to go yung ball game, safe to say. Brusco Kids. This game right now, Tigers continue to fight back. 3 seconds by Benjamin. Then goal lead by Brusco Kids. Baka orientation is pag na ito yung walang 3 seconds. Di ba yung ba? Espanyol scores 1 more time. Espanyol with 4 points.
They play strong play there.
Ay, mga star player ng Brusco Kids. Ito na. Pwede yun. Rugby, di ba? Rugby yung lang. Hindi naman sa dasa. Jerry! The process follow. Gets the free throw there. 7:56 in favor of the Brusco Kids for Nathan. Castillo, lays it out, puts it in, and capitalizing the situation for the Team Tigers. Oh, Marino Mabait. Another layup for Castillo. Everlinia. We're going to take off and take
Siyempre, it was all her. Philip has not been playing that shot because others
Masasabi ko lang dito sa Motivating Today Extreme, meron na kami pang kids guys. So napakaganda nito para sa mga kabataan kasi syempre ano nga tayo, kung yung mga kabataan magpupursige na maglaro ng basketball, diba? Kaysa nanonood ka lang ng TV sa bahay, puro ka cellphone, diba? Mas maganda pa rin yung parang 90s lang. Parang kabataan namin dati, talagang papawis. So yun, God bless you all. Kita kayo susunod mga bata. Okay, so guys, ito na yung awarding ng Brusco Kids, MVP tapos champion.
Let's give a round of applause to our champion of the Kids Edition, Motivated 3x3 Season 2!
MVP! 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 So, panalo kami! Woo! Hey, what's up mga ka-bad boys? So ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kumita ng pera. So pinapalala ko sa inyo ang 1xBet. Siyempre guys, para malaro nyo itong larong to, napakadali lang. Yung laki link ko nasa may comment section, mag-register lang kayo. At siyempre, huwag nyo kakalimutan ang promo code ko na 1xJona kasi makakatanggap kayo dito ng bonus up to 12,000 pesos. At kapag nakapag-register ka na, ay papasok ko na dito sa login na to. At syempre, alam nyo naman tayo, mahilig tayo sa sports, copy nga ng Pinas, di ba? So, magtatayalan tayo sa mga gusto nating team na tayaan. Yan, pili lang tayo dyan, guys. Sabay, tumaya na tayo. Ganun-ganun lang kadali dito sa 1xBet, guys. Kaya kung sa inyo, guys, itry nyo na to, napakadali lang, di ba? Kaya yung lucky link ko nasa may comment section. Mag-register na kayo at tara na maglaro ng 1xBet. Let's go!
Dami na kasi ang galit sa amin. Laging madilim kasi mag-isip. Inis sa lalamunan